Next, area between two curves. Area between two curves. Let y equal to f of x, y equal to g of x be two curves. Find the area of the region bounded by the curves y equal f of x, y equal g of x, and the lines x equal to a and x equal to b. Suppose this is a f of x curve, this is a g of x curve. X equal to a, x equal to b. Both are positive curves. Suppose y equal to f of x, y equal to g of x. Both are negative curves. Both are negative curves. X equal to a, x equal to b. One is positive curve, another one is negative curve. Y equal to f of x, positive curve. Y equal to g of x, negative curve. X equal to a line, x equal to b line. So area of the region bounded by the curves y equal f of x, y equal g of x, x equal to a and x equal to b. Integral a to b upper curve minus lower curve, upper curve minus lower curve, upper curve minus lower curve, upper minus lower, upper minus lower, or take it as a modulus of first curve minus second curve dx. First curve minus second curve dx. So this is the area between the two curves. For example, given, see this problem. Suppose not given the limits, not given the limits. In this data, x equal to a line, y equal to b line. Suppose not given the limits. Find the area of the region between y equal f of x and y equal g of x. First we calculate the limits. How to calculate the limits? Solve the two equations. This is the first equation, this second equation. Y equal to y. F of x equal to g of x. F of x minus g of x equal to 0. We get x limits. By solving these two, suppose you get x equal to a, x equal to b, and a is less than b. So required area, integral, small value is the lower limit, big value is the upper limit. A to b modulus of f of x minus g of x dx. F of x, g of x dx. See next. Suppose given y equal to sin x, y equal to cos x, interval is 0 to pi by 2. Interval is from 0 to pi by 2. See sine curve, sin 0 0, sin 90 value 1, sin 0 0, sin 90 value 1, sin 90 value 1. Draw the cos curve. cos 0 value 1, cos 90 value 0. This is the sine curve. Sine. This is the cos curve. So in this interval, in this given interval, they intersect at a point. They intersect at a point. That is nothing but you know that pi by 4. Sin 45, 1 by root 2. Cos 45 is also equal to 1 by root 2. So required area. This is the area between the two curves in this interval 0 to pi by 2. So in the interval 0 to pi by 4, cos is the upper curve, sine is the lower curve. So integral 0 to pi by 4 modulus of cos x minus sin x dx. Cos x minus sin x dx plus this part from pi by 4 to pi by 2. Pi by 4 to pi by 2. Cos is the, sine is the upper limit, upper curve. Cos is the lower curve. So modulus of sin x minus cos x dx. That is the required area of the region bounded by the curves y equal sin x, y equal cos x and the given interval 0 to pi by 2. This is the area between the two curves. Area between the two curves. Suppose given y equal to, suppose given, find the area of the region y equal x square minus 4x plus 5. Y equal to x square plus 3x minus 10. Suppose find the area of the region bounded by these two curves. Observe this one. First one is f of x. Second one is g of x. Not given the limits. Not given the limits. So first solve the two equations. First solve the two equations. Y equal to y. X square minus 4x plus 5, x square plus 3x minus 10. Solving these two, we get x values. Small value is the lower limit, bigger value is the upper limit. So integral small to big modulus of first curve x square minus 4x plus 5 minus of x square minus 3x minus 10 dx. This is the curve. Required area of the region bounded by the two curves. So when not given the limits, solve the given two equations, we get the x values. They are the limits of the area. Okay, next ఏరియా కాస్త గ్రాఫికల్ టచ్ కూడా ఉండాలమ్మా. గ్రాఫికల్ టచ్ కూడా ఉండాలి. సైన్ ఎక్స్ గ్రాఫ్, కాస్ ఎక్స్ గ్రాఫ్, tan x గ్రాఫ్, tan 0 0, tan 90 value infinity. Next parabola. What is the parabola diagram? Y square equal to 4x. This is the parabola diagram. Y square equal to 4x. Suppose the given y minus 2 whole square equal to 4 into x minus 1. Find the area of the region bounded by the parabola. So what is vertex? Alpha beta equal 1 comma 2. So its area is vertex 1 comma 2. వర్టెక్స్ 1, 2. కాబట్టి ఇటువంటి డయాగ్రమ్స్ కూడా మనకు అవసరం అవుతాయి. నెక్స్ట్